So one of the best ways to gauge how much snow we have is legend. So let's see. Legend, you ready? You ready? Okay, come here. Is there too much snow, buddy? Ready? All right, Legend, come on. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Go get it. He won't even go.